Hi guys, it is May 14th, 2026. William here, and it's a slow day today, not much happening. We're resting. I got some sleep this morning. I didn't sleep too well last night. I only got 4 hours, so I took an extra Q-Tiapine pill and that knocked me out for a couple hours. So I got a couple hours this morning. Fed the fish, just fed the fish. Bartholomew, yeah, that's his name, Bartholomew. Fed him 7 pellets. He's got a full stomach now. So we got Megan on Monday and Tuesday. Monday's a holiday here in Canada. It's Victoria Day. Megan works on holidays. Tuesday we're going to the food bank, and we're going to do a food bank haul. So I'll take you inside and we'll see Herbert and Bruce. We'll see how my budgies are doing. I put some extra seed cups in the cage, and that seems to be working. They're using both cups. Here's Herbert and Bruce. There's one cup there and there's the other cup there, and they're using both of them, so they're not fighting over food as much. How you doing, guys? Bruce is the active one. Bruce is really active, and he bothers Herbert. Oh my goodness, Bruce. Excuse me. They use the toy a lot. They go to the top. They go to the top of the toy and they play at the top of the toy. Okay, guys. Alright. Oh, there goes my glucose alarm. So thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.